Everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to cancel an order on sneakers using a PC. Let's get started. First, open a web browser, go to sneakers website and make sure you are logged into your account. Once you are in, click on your profile at the top of your screen. Then tap on settings. From here, tap on orders. This will show all your recent sneaker purchase. Find the order you want to cancel and click on it. Check the order status. If it says preparing shipment or processing, you can still cancel. If it says ship, cancellation is no longer available. If the order is still eligible, you will see a cancel order button. Click cancel order. Nike may ask you to confirm. Click confirm. Once cancelled, you will see a message confirming that the cancellation is confirmed. Your payment will be automatically refunded to your original method. It can usually take a few business days to show up. And that's it. That's how to cancel an order on sneakers using a PC. That's all for today's video, guys. I hope you guys liked this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.